Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Sheralyn. Today I created this really nice, sleek, pink, nude makeup look, and this look will last you all night. I'm going out clubbing tonight, so I wanted to make this sweatproof and just waterproof because, you know, people at clubs, like, they literally spit water in the air and like it just lands all over you. So this makeup will literally last you all night. It's currently 5:45 p.m. But this will literally last until like 3 o'clock in the morning. Even more, because I put like heaps of setting spray and less primer. Okay, but if you guys want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Love you guys so much. Can you see this black? Okay, so these used to be like whiteheads that were on my skin, like on my cheek, I mean, and pop them. And now they're like dark spots. So annoying. But like, that normally happens to me, but all I have to do is just like exfoliate like twice a week. Sometimes 3. And like it goes away in like 2 weeks. So this is like a new one. This literally just this was there like a week ago, and then I popped it, and then now it's like a scar. And also I've been putting little cloves of tea tree oil as well. Hopefully that will work. But yeah. Oh, by the way, I used the Baby Skin Pore Eraser by Maybelline, but hopefully like it will look better because I didn't put too much on last time. Maybe that's why I put more today. And like the skin, my skin color like really works with this. And I always get like the darker shade for foundation because like I know I'm gonna tan. So yes. More. Okay, yeah, no, that's way too much. And I love it. Like, look at the coverage. I don't know, you can still see that. Like, it's so annoying. I normally put more on like my cheek parts because like I always like lean, which I shouldn't when I'm wearing makeup. But yeah, I do. And then literally my makeup like comes off with it. Also, I got this really good concealer the other day, and it's by the e.l.f. one, and I just feel like it's so underrated, like the whole like e.l.f. products. Like I feel like it's so good. Like, okay, so it's e.l.f. and it's in the shade light. They only had 3 colors. It's like light, medium, dark. It's so weird. So I got the light one. And it is so thick. Like it's exactly like the NARS one. I feel like it's like a deep, I think it's called. But yeah, I like to put it under my eyes as my concealer. Slash highlighter. And also, I think this was like candle, I think, or egg. But my skin has cleared up, guys, so much. Like, as you saw my previous videos, my skin has must so bad. I might do like an update skincare routine because like so many people have been asking me over Snapchat, like, what have you been using? Blah, blah, blah. So, I might do that. With my e.l.f. Eyebrow thing. No. Why is it going darker? It's bronzing up more on my nose. And with this sparkly red colour, I'm gonna put that in like the parts where I didn't put too much colour. I just don't know. Okay, I might put a bit. Okay, so since my eyelashes are on, I'm gonna be going in with like some eyeliner. This with the De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, I swear, if this controls my makeup from like rubbing off, I'm gonna be so happy. Using this colour and that colour.
I'm so careful with my hair. I cannot make mistakes. Has to be. Okay, now we're going in with this brush. And this.
Okay, this is the finished look for y'all. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to watch more of my videos like this coming up, please don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. And don't forget to like and comment. And all my social medias are down below, so please follow me and keep update with me with everything. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for your support. Bye!